Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this session, we are talking about loading files with FTP and Unzip it by using SSIS. We often use FTP to upload and download files. Here is an open source FTP server, FTP2 census.gov. Let's download 2017 economy data files from this website. Firstly, drag in one FTP task. FTP connection, type in the server name. File transfer operation is receive files. Local path is download. Remote path is then drag in an execute process task. Set executable is argument is working directory is let's execute this package. We check the download folder and the Unzip folder. We can see the data files downloaded from FTP server and being unzipped automatically. Good job! Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.